Is your bank stuck in the past? Ever feel like your bank is stuck in a fax machine? Paper statements, endless hold times, and fees for, well, everything? Yeah, me too. That's why online banks have become so popular in the UK. But with a bunch of options out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're diving deep into Starling Bank. Is it the king of the online banking jungle, or is it just another app collecting dust on your phone? Starling launched in 2014, promising a mobile-first, fee-free banking experience. Sounds good, right? But is it all hype, or can Starling truly deliver? Let's dissect the features and see if Starling lives up to the hype. The good stuff, banking made easy. First things first, Starling is all about convenience. They ditched physical branches for a slick mobile app. Opening an account takes minutes, no need to fill out endless paperwork. Everything is managed through your phone, transfers, payments, bill splitting, it's all a tap away. But convenience is just the tip of the iceberg. Starling gets high marks for its fee structure. There's no monthly account fee, and forget about sneaky charges for everyday transactions. They even offer fee-free ATM withdrawals, which is a major win in a world that loves nickels and dimes. Feeling fancy? Starling integrates with all the major contactless payment options, Apple Pay, Google Pay, the whole gang. So, ditch the bulky wallet and tap your phone to pay. Love to travel? Starling shines again with zero foreign transaction fees. Use your card abroad without getting slapped with surprise charges. It's a breath of fresh air for globetrotters who've been stung by hidden fees. Budgeting on a budget? Starling's got your back. Saving money can be a struggle, but Starling throws you a lifeline with their Spaces feature. Think of these as virtual piggy banks within your main account. Set up separate spaces for different goals, vacation fund, emergency savings, that new gadget you've been eyeing. You can even assign virtual debit cards to each space, so you never accidentally overspend on your dream holiday because you forgot to switch accounts. Speaking of budgeting, Starling provides clear spending breakdowns. See exactly where your money goes, categorized and easy to understand. No more bank statements that look like hieroglyphics. Security first, keeping your money safe. Security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Starling boasts industry-leading security features, including fingerprint and facial recognition logins. Plus, your money is protected by the FSCS, meaning you're covered up to £85,000 if the bank goes belly up, which is highly unlikely, but hey, peace of mind is priceless. While Starling does a lot right, it's not flawless. Since they're an online-only bank, you won't find any physical branches to walk into if you crave face-to-face interaction. For some folks, that might be a deal-breaker. Also, Starling doesn't offer a ton of bells and whistles compared to some competitors. Looking for a high-interest savings account? You might need to look elsewhere. Starling Bank isn't perfect, but it excels in the core aspects of online banking. It's convenient, fee-friendly, and secure. The budgeting tools and fee-free travel features are a major plus. However, if you crave a traditional banking experience with physical branches or a wider range of financial products, Starling might not be your best fit. Ultimately, the best online bank depends on your individual needs. If you're a tech-savvy person who prioritizes convenience, fee-free transactions, and a user-friendly experience, then Starling is definitely worth a strong look. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.